Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Love story. One day a girl asked her father, "Father, have you ever cried because of me?" The reason for asking about him was that he never saw his father crying. In response to this question, the father said, "Yes, once something happened when I was crying from you." After listening to this, the girl became eager to know that what was the matter, which she had to cry. To calm this eagerness, the father began to tell the story. The matter is at that time, when you had 8 months. One day I kept 3 things in front of you: a pen, a coin and a toy. I wanted to know what you will pick up from those things. They were a symbol of pen visection, the coin was a symbol of money and toy entertainment. I was just doing this due to a judge. It was very interesting for me to go ahead by going ahead to my daughter. I was eagerly waiting for you and eagerly waiting for your next step. I saw that sitting at some time, you saw those things. Then walking on the fours of knee grew towards them. When I saw you moving forward, then my beats stopped. But the next moment you removed all those things on one side and moved forward and came in my lap. Just this was the moment when my heart had come and I was crying. By listening to this story, the girl's eyes came to the eyes.